Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? As you all know that the event of Eid al-Adha is near, we are making model of Khana Kaaba in relevance. Material you need is shown on the screen, as well as I am showing you that you will be provided with a resource pack in which you will be having this set of printouts that I am showing you right now, along with some black card sheet and golden one. The first step is to paste the sheet that I am showing you right now onto a black card sheet you are provided with the help of any gluing material. Remember that you have to apply the glue thoroughly because we are going to do the cutting, so it should not get removed from anywhere. Now take the second sheet and apply the glue in similar manner and paste it onto the second black card sheet that you are provided in your resource pack. Press it hard so that it become stick to the card sheet firmly. You can see a dashed line on which we are going to do the cuttings. So the next step is of cutting. You may use a cutter or a scissor, whichever is convenient to you. See, the dark lines are for folding and the ones which are dotted, they are actually for cutting and making some scratch folds. Now I am using a scissor to do the smaller cuttings. The areas outside the darker line is actually our flap, which is going to help us for the pasting purpose. Now take the second sheet and also do the similar cutting for this sheet. You can see that it has almost the same outline as the previous one. So I hope you won't find any problem in doing the cutting. Here I am extending the line because at this line I have to mark a slit. You're also provided with another printout in which you can see two arch-like shaped and few rectangles marked on it. I'm using these rectangular shapes for pasting them onto the golden sheet. So take them out and again apply the glue at the back side of this paper and paste it firmly with the golden sheet. And also notice the side where I am pasting. I am pasting on the white side of the golden sheet, so you have to follow exactly the way I am doing it. For art shape drawing, you may use any leftover piece of card sheet. It may be white or black. Right now I am using black one. So I am taking out this ring like shape separately and then cutting them, leaving a flap for pasting. You are provided with an extra art shape drawing so that in case of any mistake you can utilize the second piece. Remember that the darker line is for folding purpose. Now I am cutting the rectangular piece that I pasted on golden card sheet. Scissor will be more appropriate option to do the cutting because this is going to be our final motif to be pasted on the building of Kaaba. Do the cuttings as neatly as possible. After completing the cuttings, you will have one small rectangle, 4 bar-like and 16 small pieces of golden sheet. Now I'm doing the folding, and remember, for folding I'm just taking a line with the help of my paper cutter. I'm not cutting it. So you are not supposed to do the cutting. You just have to use a scale and paper cutter to take lines so that neat foldings can be made. Once you mark the folds from one side, put the paper upside down, and on the same lines you're going to mark the scratches with the help of a scale, so that when you fold it from the other side, the sharp edge could be formed. Be careful at this stage and see what kind of fold I am making at the top of the building. There would be a kind of recessed portion at the top, so it should be exactly formed the way I am making it here. Repeat the similar folding process with the second sheet. At the darker lines, you're going to mark the scratch lines. Also, the lines you can see right now. Then make the folds outside and then on the black side of the sheet also. See, the top part folding is a bit different from the bottom one. After completing the foldings, you will have a book cover like shape. From one of these shapes, I am removing the flaps because I will be only needing one flap for pasting purpose. So this one is extra, and therefore I am removing it from one of these shapes. I am applying glue at the top so that they become fixed in an L-shaped um, L-shaped object. Similarly, I am pasting the second shape. Now for connecting the two pieces, I am applying glue on the flaps of one of these shapes, and then I am joining them together to form a cube-like structure. Gluing and pasting should be done as neatly as possible because now you have entered into the final stages of your project. Now apply the glue on the second flap and close it from the other side. That's how the cube will be formed. Look at it from the top so that you can check either the box is formed accurately or not. After joining the two pieces, you may find at the top some hollow space. So you may cut an L-shape a piece from the card sheet, black card sheet, and then paste it on top so that the gap should be filled. Now I'm using a white card sheet to make the base of this box. I'm applying glue on the lower flaps and then putting it onto the white chart paper, pasting it firmly with the chart paper. I'm going to do the cuttings of the excess part. For the top of the Kaaba, we are also going to paste a white sheet, but remember this sheet should be a little smaller than the one that we pasted at the base, because at the top we have some recessed area and a little thickness at the top. So I have taken the lines from the box. Now I am diminishing the size of that rectangle and I am darkening the one which is smaller, and I am going to do the cutting on this smaller square. Now I am going to check either it fits onto the top or not. If it is not, I am going to do the further cuttings so that it get adjusted into this niche. Yes, I need to cut it a little more so that it should go inside. You can see at the bottom it has completely covered the part, but for the top it is going inside. It is going inside the box and it is being pasted onto the flap which are a little bit lower. Now it fits perfectly into the box. Now we are going to paste the golden stripes that we cut earlier on the top part of the box. You can visually observe the distance. It is not more than ½ inch, even lesser than that. So you have to paste on all four sides these longer rectangular bars at equal distance so that it should appear like a band around the building of Kaaba. Now I am going to paste the smaller pieces, but first I am going to adjust the distances between them so that there should not be any errors and it should appear perfectly placed onto the box. While I am done with the adjusting, now I am doing the pasting of these so that they get fixed. Similarly, we have to paste on all four sides of the box. Now for this rectangular door, I am going to make a small curve-like cut, as you can see in many pics of Kaaba. You must have found a brown colored paper with a print of brick-like texture onto it. I am going to do the cuttings of all these walls, but see, I have left the left and right side. I have not taken out completely. And now I am pasting this brick-like texture onto the bottom of the box. I have done the cutting from one side and one flap is left so that the pasting could be done neatly. But for the last flap, I am going to do the cutting from both the sides so that a fine brick-like texture could be observed at the bottom. You are also provided with a ring-like printout. I am putting it onto silver card sheet, and after pasting it I am going to do the cutting of this ring, which is actually a marking of the black stone Hajr Aswad onto the wall of Kaaba. After cutting this piece, I'm going to paste it half on one side of the wall and half on the other side. And finally, the rectangular door next to Hajr Aswad. Now we are complete with the building of Khana-e-Kaaba. Now we're going to work on Hatim. You must be aware that Hatim is part of Khana-e-Kaaba. It's a structure which is shaped like an arch. It was supposed to be inside the building, but due to lack of resources could not be done at that time of construction. For the folding, I have made small triangular cuts so that it could be folded easily. Now I'm pasting the strip that I cut earlier to form the complete structure of a theme. When we are done with the structure of Hatim, we are going to prepare the base. And for base, I am using two different materials. One is corrugated sheet and the other one is thermocol. I have pasted the corrugated sheet onto thermocol sheet. And now I'm applying glue on the sides so that I could paste a card sheet strip around this to make a neat base. For the top part of the base, you may use a white chart paper or you may paint it, so there can be number of options as you like to do. I have painted my base with silver and white and have made a checker pattern onto it. Now I'm pasting the box or the building of Khana-e-Kaaba and the Hatim onto it. Final look of the model will be like this. I hope you must have enjoyed today's class and will make it with great interest. What you have to do is to make a model and also shoot a video of your construction and working of that model and then share that video at Google Classroom with us. I'll be waiting for your submission. Take a very nice shot from a very different angle so that everybody can enjoy your work.